This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Have you ever looked at your art and thought something's wrong? Or maybe you've put hours into a piece only to realize it's just not what you wanted. But what if I told you there's the secret art skill that could instantly level up your work and save you years of frustration that most beginners don't even know it exists? Today I'm going to show you this powerful technique that can take you from struggling with single sketch to creating art you never thought you could make. Most beginners don't realize that their biggest mistakes aren't in the details, but in their overall approach. Change that and you'll be set to create a professional level art. Now let me take you on a quick journey. Imagine you're in Minecraft and you want to build something epic. You gather resources, start building, and then you see that the foundation you've built is okay, it's not bad. But your desire to create something amazing is too strong. So you keep building, spending hours and hours, but somehow the final result just doesn't look great. It's more like frustrating. The same thing happens in art. But how can we fix it? And what if a simple tweak to a process could take your art from being bad to outstanding? See, most beginner artists draw their artworks in the same sequence. They create a sketch, then make line art, add shading, color and finish it with rendering. But a lot of the time the results are underwhelming. That's because they are missing one crucial thing. So what's the secret? If you dream of drawing for a living, the best way to begin is to create a beautiful portfolio and start taking commissions to earn your first money. And you can easily do this with today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform for creatives. Whether you're just starting your art journey or already have experience, Squarespace make it easy to create a beautiful portfolio, sell your art products and take commissions, all in one place. I love how simple it is to build a website. Choose a template, customize it and add features to fit your needs. For example, with Squarespace you can easily open an online store and sell your art products across the world. And my favorite feature is that you can sell prints with your own artworks. Check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you are ready to launch your website, go to squarespace.com/Arseni to save 10% off your first purchase of website or domain. Alright, let's jump into what really separates a struggling artist from one who is consistently creating great artworks. And trust me, the next part is likely the breakthrough you've been missing. Let's look at two artists. Artist 1 has a cool idea and jumps straight to the final piece. One sketch, one line art, one shading, one color and that's it. Does he get a good result? Maybe once out of every 20 tries. But Artist 2 takes a different approach. She starts with her idea, like the first artist. But instead of rushing to the final piece, she experiments with multiple sketches. Maybe she tries 3 different poses or outfits, then chooses the best one to create line art with, draws shading, and explores a few color options. And the best version goes into the final render. Compared to the first artist approach, with every new step, we triple our chances of getting the best possible result. So how does this work in practice? If you want to progress faster and get an actual structure for your studies, check out my free digital art workbook, the link in the description. With this approach, works by Artist 2 just look and feel right every time, because each decision, every pose, color and line was tested, refined and chosen to be the best of the best. This technique is a game changer for creating characters that are dynamic, memorable and uniquely yours. And I show exactly how to do this in this video, so be sure to watch it now.